A bruising ANC elective conference 3 years ago. Ramaphosa and Dlamini-Zuma contesting the party's presidency. Ramaphosa emerging victorious. The bitter battle split the party into two warring factions, but it seems they are smoking the peace pipe now, with the president singing the praises of ministers Dlamini-Zuma and Nkosazana, who declined the nomination for ANC deputy president.
The provisions we've put in place with regard to managing the whole state of disaster as led by Dr. Dlamini-Zuma has also positioned us very well.
Political analyst Professor Somadoda Figeni says Ramaphosa, Nkosazana and Dlamini-Zuma are united because there is no longer a need for any contestation among themselves.
They have reached the pinnacle of their political lives and ambitions, therefore may not have that much of an ambition of another bruising factional battle for leadership in future. This crisis has provided each one of them with something that is ultimately a high calling.
He says the pandemic has given the ministers and the president an opportunity to show their leadership skills.
President Ramaphosa, who was facing a lot of criticism and possibly challenges in the NGC, has been given an opportunity to demonstrate his role as the president and mobilizing the society. Nkosazana Dlamini-Zuma didn't become one of the junior ministers in this crisis. She's playing a critical role as the minister who is responsible for the National Disaster Act implementation and articulation. And also Nkosazana, precisely because health crisis we're facing falls in his portfolio, has given him a high-profile role in the nation and around the world to demonstrate what is in his mettle. So to that extent, I do think that this particular crisis has brought them together.
The ANC has been striving for unity since the 2017 Watershed Conference, and as the saying goes, one swallow does not make a summer. Factions are entrenched, and cooperation and unity at the top and at a very public level does not necessarily filter down to other levels. Samkele Masego, SABC News, Johannesburg.